Okay, so the first step is going to be take all the parts out of the box. Now assemble the pedestal cam using the 10 screws in the package as noted in the picture. Insert the pedestal arm and using the included Allen wrench or the appropriate size driver, install the screws. Install 2 screws for each arm. Okay, now we're going to install the rollers. Place the pedestal on the ground firmly and twist side to side as you push down on the coaster to install the coasters. Put it in, twist to the side, and it will go in. It is hard to push them down in there, so you must press to the side. Just tilt them to the side. They go in quite easily. Tilt to the side, and it goes in. Now install the chair lift piston by inserting it into the base cam. It is pressure fit and no screws are required. Now place the chair operation base on the bottom of the seat, making sure the lumbar adjustment screw is facing the front of the chair. Now locate the 4 screws in the package and insert them into the base, aligning them with the screw holes, starting them by hand. Now using a driver, tighten the screws. Being careful not to over tighten them, but making sure that they're snug and secure. Okay, now we're going to install the armrest. You must pay special attention to locate the screw and make sure that the screw is on the back inside of the arm, and you can tell where the front of the chair is by the label on the bottom of the seat. Now locate the 4 long bolts in the package and the 4 washers and install those into the arm. Now tighten them up, but only barely tight. Do not over tighten them because we need a little flexibility in the arm to install the back. Now we're going to repeat the same process for the opposite side, making sure that you have aligned the armrest the correct direction. Now we're ready to install the backrest. Now pay special close attention to the tabs that are on the side arms and the holes in the back of the side rest. Those must be clipped in. Now grab the armrest and pull it out, and now align the clips with the holes on the backrest and insert it. Now locate the 2 remaining screws in the package and use them to secure the backrest to the armrest. First, start them by hand to make sure that they're properly threaded, and then using the driver or the included Allen wrench, tighten them up. Now finish tightening up all the 4 screws for the armrest on the bottom of the chair. And finally, insert the chair into the piston base and you have fully assembled the chair. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And remember, I'll place a link to this product in the description of the video. Just click on the Show More. Until next time, this is the Jungle Explorer signing out.